Hey everyone, how's it going? Hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be doing rotors and pads on my C5 Corvette. Now I picked these up off Amazon. They are Power Stop rotors and pads. Ran about $300. Now I know they're not high performance rotors by any means. They just get the job done, but I do have pretty good reviews of them. I actually ran these on my 2005 Tiburon that you guys may know from my earlier videos. Had about 80 to 100,000 miles on it, on these rotors before we ended up selling it. Had no problems with warping or anything. Now for my Silverado, I bought the highest priced rotors at Advance that you could get. Did those about 2 years ago and they're already fried completely. So although these are cheap, they definitely get the job done and I know that they work. So today we're going to be installing them on this. Let me know if you guys have any questions along the way. Okay, so pretty turnkey with the materials that they give you. Of course, the rotors, the pads, and then they give you these little rubber grommets, lube, telling you where to lubricate each area, and then the metal brackets. Alright, here's a quick glimpse at it before I go ahead and do the others, before I put the wheel and tire on. Alright, so I just got it finished up. So you can see, looks pretty good. The finish is nice on the rotors. And here are the rears. Now the rears are a little bit tougher. It was a learning curve for me. When you take this rotor off, there's the e-brake assembly, which is kind of like a drum brake where it expands, and even if it's not pulled, there is some problems where it was just catching the lips of the pads on the inside. So what you can do is you can pull this off pretty easy, but if you struggle to put it back on, there's some adjustments that you just spin this dial and it will shrink that pad system back in and allow you to slide this back in. Now if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment. Like I always say, if you guys want to support the channel and see some more content, definitely subscribe and like the video. See what else we got coming up. Thank you.